Sure, we've done this before. This does not take a whole lot of intellect. It's just naming some parts of a circle. There's only so much you can do here. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere along the line, there's only one person in history that could draw a perfect circle freehand, and I don't know what his name is. It was either Michelangelo or Leonardo da Vinci. I don't know which one, but he actually could sit and draw freehand a perfect circle. And that's not an easy thing to do. If you keep going over the same circle enough times, it starts to look like a perfect circle. Okay, but to draw it perfectly there. The first thing we're going to talk about is the circumference of a circle. Anybody know what the circumference of a circle is? Jacob?
The distance around the circle.
Did you look that up?
No. We
Yep.
learned it last time.
Circumference of a circle is the distance around. With other shapes, we call that the perimeter, but a circle, it's called the circumference. Maybe one good way to remember that is to do this. And circumference is the distance around. And then we also have the diameter of a circle. What is the diameter as opposed to the radius of a circle? Alexa, what's the diameter? It's what?
It's like the dot. Yes, there's a dot.
There is a dot to point out the center of the circle.
It's like how you do those compass things.
It's taken a long time to get here. Diameter as opposed to radius. Peter?
Diameter is the whole circle, not like the circle's the whole distance around.
Now, diameter goes all the way through the middle of the circle. Okay, Jen, remember diameter is a longer word. So the diameter, okay, goes completely through the circle. Completely through the center of the circle. And through the center. Whereas, what's it called that only goes halfway through?
Radius.
Yes. Thank you, Alexa. Radius. Goes halfway through. Now it's important to know how the diameter and the radius are related, and it's not by blood. They're not cousins. They're not aunts nor uncles, but if you know one, you can always find the other because you could say it two different ways. Kelsey, one way you could say it is?
Is radius plus radius equals diameter?
Okay, you could say that, sure. Radius plus radius equals diameter. Another way to say that is the, DJ? How else could you say that? The diameter is twice the radius. Diameter is twice the radius, or if you turn that around, you could say that the radius is, Christine, well, let me finish this first. The radius is, Calvin? There you go. Or you could say the radius is half the diameter. Now, Christine, your question.
What does it say under circumference?
Circumference is the distance around, which is also its perimeter, or perimeter, depending on which syllable you accent. Oh boy, DJ? Is my handwriting just going that far south?
No. I don't know.
Diameter goes completely through the circle. Through and through the center. Through the circle and through the center. all the way through is the diameter, radius is halfway through. If you know the diameter of anything, you can find its radius, and if you know its radius, you can find the diameter. By the way, the plural of radius is
Radii.
radii. Very good. R-A-D-I-I. R-A-D-I-I. Radii. Listen.
I just told you teacher.
I don't know what that means.
And then the senior goes.
Sure. So let's just look at a couple questions they might ask you. And again, people, when they tell you something about a circle, you should always sketch out that circle. For example, this problem here says, if the radius of a circle is 4 centimeters, if the radius of a circle is 4 centimeters, what's its diameter? I don't care that you can do that in your head and you know what the answer is. I want to see you draw me the circle and label what information they give you. I know that the radius is 4 centimeters, so I want to see this. You can time me. That would have taken me probably 2 seconds to draw, because a circle takes a little longer than a straight line. This is the information you're given. They ask you what the diameter is, and well, you can obviously tell if the radius is 4, then Ariel, the diameter is what? The radius is 4, the diameter is, very good, 8 centimeters. We just need to train ourselves, boys and girls, to do stuff the right way. Not the fast way, the right way. Yes? There's really not a whole lot else they can ask you. They might give you the diameter and ask for the radius, but you guys will just need to draw it. This